Dhananjay, a student of class 8 from the Emerald Heights International School. I am going to participate in the Technoxian competition in the innovation event with my topic Emojifying Emotions, the art of facial expression recognition. Have you ever wondered how your phone can recognize your face? Or how social media platforms are able to suggest tags for your friends in photos? The answer lies in facial expression recognition technology. Facial expression recognition technology is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology and each other. By analyzing the subtle movements of our facial muscles, this technology can accurately identify our emotions and even predict our behavior. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate online. One exciting application of this technology is the creation of facial expression emojis, which accurately reflect the wide range of human emotions. Using complex algorithm and machine learning, developers can train computers to recognize subtle changes in facial expressions and translate them into digital representations. These emojis can then be further used in messaging apps, social media, and other digital platforms to enhance emotional expression and communication. Thank you.